acceleration, remember, is VF minus VI over T. Now let's take a problem. Let's just say that you're riding in a car, and that car is going from rest, starts at a stop sign, let's say. If it's starting at a stop sign, that VI, remember that I stands for initial or starting, would then be 0. I really want you to start writing on your paper that VI equals 0. If it then ends up going a maximum speed of 15 meters per second, remember meters per second is like the SI unit, and that 15 meters per second would be somewhere close to 30 miles per hour, like 28 or so miles per hour. And let's say that it reaches this top speed in 10 seconds. So you're not like gunning it or anything. So that means our T is 10 seconds. This is not a hard problem to do if you will take the time to write these things down to the side of your paper. Then, since we're looking for acceleration, we're going to say A is equal to our VF is 15. And you don't even have to put those units if you don't want to for now. Minus, what is our VI? 0. What is our T? 10. So we're going to say 15 minus 0 is 15 over 10. 15 divided by 10, you can do that in a calculator, is 1.5. Now what are the units for acceleration? Meters per second squared. And that is your answer. And you're going to leave it like that. If you would just please remember to put those units. And also remember to show your work to this side. This work, showing this work to the side right over here, is crucial to your getting this problem right. Okay, let's take it and bump it up just a little bit harder. Let's say that you're asked for the time that's needed. Let's say that you have this car that starts off with, it says it starts off with this speed. It starts off with a speed of, say, 10 meters per second. Okay, and then it says you have your acceleration of 2 meters per second squared. And it asks to know the time needed for the car to reach 30 meters per second. Here you have to ask yourself, what does that 30 meters per second represent? And what am I looking for? Okay, that 30 meters per second represents how fast I'm going to end up going. So I do know that. And I am looking for my time. In this instance, I'm going to say, okay, I know my formula, same exact formula, VF minus VI over T. When you are looking for T, and it's in the bottom, you cannot solve for it there. You have to get it out of the denominator. It's being divided, so I'm going to multiply both sides by T. And now it's out of the denominator, but it's not by itself. So now I'm going to divide by A to get it out of the denominator. So then T is equal to VF minus VI over A. And so you're then going to sub in those numbers. You're going to, for VF, you're going to sub in 30. For VI, you're going to sub in 10. 30 minus 10 is 20. And then you're going to divide by 2. So 20 divided by 2 is 10 seconds. So it's going to take you 10 seconds to do that. Okay? Don't forget your units.